Hello everyone, my name is Clint. I'm starting a new series. It's called Watch Me Edit. I am a video editor and I get a lot of questions about how I do certain things or how I pull off certain effects. And so this series is just going to be you get to sit along with me and watch me edit certain things. So we're going to take a look at a short video here. Now I love my Instapot. I don't know if you watch my cooking channel, but Cooking with Clint, you should subscribe to that. Hey. But you probably know, or you will know, that I love the Instapot. And so I go around and look for recipes to get some inspiration, and I came across a YouTube channel called the Six Sisters Instapot. I am in no affiliation with them. They are not paying me anything. I just really love their channel. But one of the latest videos I was watching, I noticed a small error in the video that can easily be fixed. And so that's what we're going to take a look here today. All right. Okay, so first we're just going to watch this video right here.
Also a red bell pepper. You can do any colors. Right.
And it's pretty high quality. They got multiple camera angles here.
Down to get smaller, but I don't love
Really good stuff. But then, what is this? What is this? Look at that. Look at that. Like the camera is sticking in the shot. Now, I know how this happens because I do it all the time. You usually have a camera on a tripod, nobody's manning it, and then you're kind of going around with another camera getting the other angles, and then sometimes you cross into line of sight of the other camera. However, he crossed into a camera that's stationary, it's not moving. This is very easy to fix, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's just jump right in here. Okay, so here's the shot right here. Now what I'm going to do is we're just going to go through here to where we see the camera. Okay, and I'm just going to line it right up. Okay, so we're going to make a cut right here, and then we're going to go all the way back. Just rewind this until the camera is out of frame, and then bam, right there. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is now this is what's called a clean plate. Now a clean plate is having something in there where the subject that we want to remove or alter is not in the frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a snapshot of this frame. Okay, so we got the snapshot right here. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to line it up to the little edit that we made. So we just want to cut around the area to where it's going to cover up the camera in the shot. So to do that, I'm going to hit the eyeball, and that's going to hide that layer. Then I'm just going to move around until the camera gets as far into the shot as possible. So it's just about right there. So now I'm clicking on this layer. I still have the eyeball unchecked. And then I'm going to go to the opacity layer. And then we're just going to draw a mask just around the camera here. And then I'm going to uncheck the eyeball, click away, and then boom, it's got it covered up. But as you can see, there's actually there's a bigger problem. So here's a little pro tip. So I don't know if you can see it, but as he moves in, his shadow is casting on the wall. So this actually is not going to work. So we're going to delete the mask. We're actually going to have to go more into the shot here. Because as you can see, if we just do that area, you still see the shadows, and just didn't quite look right. The good thing here is she's staying actually really still. She's not flailing her arms out or anything. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to do a split screen. So I'm going to keep hiding the layer right here. We're going to move it all the way down to right there. And then we're going to do a mask. And then we're just going to get as close to her as possible. And just click around. And we're just going to drag this right here. And then we're going to uncheck that light bulb. We're going to uncheck the eye. Now she's kind of crossing right into it, so we're just going to adjust it there. And if we click away and watch it, let's see what this does.
I don't love huge chunks of pepper.
Now we can see a line. We're getting close there. We can see a line right here, but we can fix that. So if we click right here, there is a feather option. So we are just going to feather that mask, and boom, that line disappears. Now we're going to watch it.
I don't love huge chunks of pepper in a bite.
Bam, that's so much better. Well, let's watch it again. Let's watch the before.
I don't love huge.
So the camera comes in the shot, your eye goes right to that camera. And then now if we put that mask on and watch it,
I don't love huge chunks of pepper in a bite.
you never would have known it's there. All right, let me know what you think of this episode. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if there's something else that you would like me to edit. If you have any questions, let me know. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel, McClintock Productions. Anyways, I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next episode. Have a great day.